Welcome to WinAirvideo. I'm Bob Jones, and today we're diving deep into the Civic Esplanade Project in downtown Windsor, Ontario. Let's explore this ambitious urban transformation underway and reshaping our downtown core. Picture this, the Civic Esplanade Project, a vibrant, kilometer-long stretch from the Windsor City Hall all the way to the scenic Detroit riverfront. This $30 million project is designed to create a flexible, multi-use outdoor space that caters to everyone, from City Hall staff to residents and visitors alike. But what does that really mean for Windsor? I've got a lot to share, but I'd like to take a moment to ask for your subscription. Your subscription is the only source of support WinAirvideo gets. It's free to subscribe and it really does help the video reach more like-minded viewers. Hit the subscribe button and join our growing community. I look forward to your comments. Thank you for your time. Let's talk about what's coming in Phase 1. This initial stage, focused on City Hall Square, is nearing completion and set to open for the summer events of 2025. Here's what we can look forward to. A nearly Olympic-sized oval ice rink for winter fun, a dedicated performance stage for concerts and events, flexible meeting spaces for community gatherings, an arts park displaying local talent, a viewing area connected to the Underground Railroad monument, interwoven pedestrian walkways for ease navigation, a splash pad for summer enjoyment, food truck areas to satisfy every craving. The entire Civic Esplanade project is divided into 5 phases, with a total estimated cost of $30 million. While the exact timeline for completion is still fluid, city officials are aiming to have the entire project finished within the next 5 to 7 years. You might be wondering, who's footing the bill for all of this? Well, the funding comes from a combination of sources: municipal funds from the city budget, taxes, provincial grants, taxes, federal infrastructure funding, taxes, and private donations from local businesses and philanthropists to save taxes. As with any major urban development, the Civic Esplanade has its critics. Some residents have expressed concerns about the increased budget for Phase 1, potential disruptions to local businesses during construction, and worries about gentrification and rising property values. City officials emphasize the long-term benefits of the project and promise support for affected businesses during the construction period. We'll see how that plays out over the next 6 years. That being said, pretty much everyone gains from the Civic Esplanade project. Residents, local businesses, artists and performers, families, history buffs, food vendors, and a more attractive and active city for all to enjoy. A beautiful, functional space for recreation and community events, increased foot traffic and tourism, safe, engaging spaces for children to play and learn, enhanced access to historical monuments and information, dedicated areas for food trucks and pop-up eateries. Once completed, the Civic Esplanade is expected to have a transformative effect on downtown Windsor. City planners anticipate a 30% increase in foot traffic to the downtown core, a 20% boost in sales for nearby businesses, a 15% increase in property values in the surrounding area, a 25% rise in downtown events and festivals, a significant increase in tourism, with visitors drawn to the new attractions. The Civic Esplanade project isn't only about creating a pretty space. It's about breathing new life into the heart of Windsor. It's about creating a space where memories are made, where communities come together, and where our city's rich history meets its bright future. As we watch this exciting project unfold over the coming years, we're not just witnessing the construction of parks and pathways, we're seeing the birth of a new Windsor. A Windsor that's more vibrant, more connected, and more alive than ever before. Like and subscribe for more construction updates on the Civic Esplanade Project. Thanks for watching. This is Bob Jones, and I will see you in the next video.